Catalina, but we're taking a helicopter ride over to Catalina.
We're not at Catalina.
No, I said we're gonna take a helicopter ride to Catalina. There's Queen Mary and Spruce Goose.
Cut it out, Laura.
Why not, Dad? Smile.
Yes, I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting here. Are you gonna film the inside of the helicopter?
Yeah.
You want to be the filmer today?
Yeah.
Or do you keep looking up in the air?
So I think I keep thinking of your helicopter. You're on candid camera.
You're wasting film on me. Stop it.
I haven't stopped.
Star flat, huh? What? Star? Zooming in and everything.
I'm not.
You take the date off.
I did.
Get us to get zoomed in.
What?
Good, huh, Laura?
Yeah.
What are you gonna say, Pedro? Good job now, Laura. Get the Queen Mary, Laura. Got it?
Yeah.
Look, the boat's running late. We can still be back in time.
Yeah, our taxi will be here in about 10 minutes.
Hey, Seven, what are you doing? 10 minute mistake. She was, I was telling you,
Next weekend.
You're not gonna film me when I'm eating. Oh, our food. Stop, our food.
No. That's what I say. Get a little of the ambiance
Our
here.
food.
Our food's coming already?
No.
Why'd you
Somebody
say
else's
that?
food.
Say goodbye, Laura. The king.
Yeah, right.
It's good to be the king. I love my peasants. Cool. Nathan's gonna do some of the one-liners from Blazing Saddles. What's some of the one-liners we did last time?
Right on his big nose.
That is, we don't need no speaking back.
So what's the other one?
You can't say that out loud, Dad. You have all
What's going on here? Ain't no pig you guys.
Wave,
Hit him
Nathan.
off with the pass. I hate that picture.
Nathan, wave.
Are you tweeting? Come in line.
But I didn't know that.
We can certainly keep
What's the other one?
whatever you guys have told us 30 years.
You're like, I don't want to lose a $150 wagon. And then in quicksand.
They
Sit a
put the
couple-
wagon. Think the guy's in there.
There you go.
Thank you.
So,
Is it me?
Was it them? No.
Bye. Say bye, you guys.
No, the ground getting higher.
Yeah, Greg, you're right.
Say what I said, Dad, yesterday when we came off free fall.
Oh, what did you say? Let me think. Yeah. It was Arnold Schwarzenegger,
Terminator
right?
2, yeah.
Hasta la vista, baby.
I got it floored, man. Whoa, we're going fast.
Whoa, look how fast we're going. I know we're going to get a ticket.
What street you make a left on, Nate? Beacon. Can't get a ticket at this thing, Lawrence. Rented.
I know, I'm just kidding.
There's our taxi driver. Hey, Ron, come back here. Look at this old car, Nate.
Whoa, that's a nice breeze.
You sure that was Beacon, Nate? I'm positive. Make a left. Right. Left. Can't go left. We just came back when we came back. We're supposed to come back to that road. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, this is Beacon and this is Clarissa. Make a left here.
How do you know?
He's watching the map.
Everybody's making a left-hand
Then you
turn.
make the right, but you have to switch your came on.
There's no signal indicators. I don't believe they rent things without signal indicators.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull you over. I know, but it's still, you're getting killed. That's what I'm working on. Where'd I go? Okay. You're a navigator. I'm going to trust you completely. Go all the way out to the main drag? Make a right, yeah. Okay.
I told you that. I was just telling him that. Oh, hell.
Top, Dad. Reverse.
There is no reverse.
Yeah, there is.
Where? Oh, I see.
I'm going to give me that map.
The driver here.
No hands, Mom.
Oh.
Nathan the Navigator. Get a picture of Nathan the Navigator. He just got us lost and made us drive down the wrong road.
Beacon, you make a left.
There's no signal indicator.
Right, wherever that car is, make a left. Just follow that.
Okay, will do. Signal.
At least I'm signaling.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
It's good.
It's getting to be a sunny day too.
Yeah.
Clarissa, you think another
But yeah, when I zoom forward, it looks like we're going really fast.
Catalina, we got a ways to go, Nate. About 2 more blocks.
Yeah, when I zoom forward, it looks like we're going really fast.
Oh, you zoom back, it looks like we're parking, right?
There. Then I zoom back. We're gonna zoom forward.
Typical touristas, huh?
Let's follow that car in front of us. They're going to think where we are.
That one right there? Okay. A bunch of wild and crazies too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but they
We're gonna go on that wild, crazy road, D.
Told you I should have worn what I wore yesterday and wore what I wore today. Yesterday. Oh.
That's the helicopter, Laura.
Where? I have. Hello, the people.
I'm sliding, cool. Oh, where did you get all the power all of a sudden, man?
Gotta warm up.
Right, say there's no lower gear, Dad.
Yeah, that's what it did.
Oh, Nathan, you're up there.
Whoa!
Oh gosh, Dad, I have the camera. Tell me if you're gonna do that.
Have your seatbelt on, don't ya?
Yeah, don't. Dad, don't. I have the camera. I'll drop it. And it's filming. It's filming. I don't know where I was looking.
Get that boat down there. With a skier, man.
We
Don't
were higher
go so crazy.
we were higher.
We're out of control, I don't know brakes! Ah! Oh. Stop sign, Nate. You said wait for a stop sign.
Oh, God. Woo, it's going faster.
Stop sign.
Make a left and stop sign.
Yeah,
Sure?
right
You know
No.
somebody's private gate?
It's a main stop sign, Dad.
Whoa.
The other islands just tried to.
there. And a windbreaker.
Oh, quit your complaining. God, you guys are whining
Nice,
weenies,
cool.
man.
You're OWW.
I got two
Old whining weenie.
whining weenies here, man.
That's the skull. What What a junky looking school.
Really? Give the water? Give a proper fresh water. Catalina stables. Let's go ride.
Let's go horsey riding. That one looks like Rosie.
Horse trail?
Yeah.
You go all the way up there.
Yeah, come here, go bike riding sometime. I mean, bike riding.
Horse riding. Next time we come up here, like maybe next time. What? Yeah. Dad! I'm not even ready. Ah! I'm going all over the place with this thing.
Come on there, Laura. I'm going to back you right up to the edge. That's the worst.
Nathan, I have already.
Yeah, really. Onboard exhaust. It's a little cove right here on the other side of the island. Now, Laura, look. Good shot from the other side of the bay. That ship from the other angle. We're almost back now. Now then we're going to take the taxi back to the helicopter and make sure we get our helicopter on time. Alright? We can sit at the restaurant and nibble on something, alright?
Yeah, get a dessert. Let's go to a restaurant when it has dessert. I want a piece of pie.
There's only one restaurant.
People just came out of it.
Nathan, you walk right in the way.
It's already.